Hey, it's Ed Weeks Jr., and I've got a quick update that might just shift how you show up in Q2. Let me ask you something. Are you actually quarterbacking this quarter, or are you just reacting to whatever's thrown your way? Because in my world, building businesses, helping clients as a VP of growth and as a fractional CMO, and raising a family while launching 3 media properties, I've learned one thing. You can't scale what you haven't systemized. This week alone, my B2B sales newsletter, Revenue Stack, is driving crazy high open rates. Wild Weeks, the YouTube channel I started with my son, had a video go semi-viral. And Ed's Fractional Fix, it's helping business owners automate without spending $10K a month on a CMO, and that's just the start. We're using tools like Zapier agents, HeyGen, Wondercraft, and ChatGPT to scale smarter, not harder. But let me keep it 100% with you. None of this means anything if it doesn't align with faith, family, and freedom. This isn't just about building systems, it's about building legacy. So if you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone trying to do life and business with purpose, follow along. Subscribe to Revenue Stack, catch Wild Weeks on YouTube, or connect with me directly at edweeksjr.com. Let's stop reacting and start quarterbacking.